How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Add the Cheese. Today, as you can tell by the title, I am starting this cheese versus, and today, guess what? It's going to be cheese versus chainsaw. That is right. Today we are going to see who wins between the battle of the cheese. Now, hey, if you guys like this series, I'm going to start a whole host of it. It's going to be cheese versus this, that, and another. I don't want to give away too many things, but hey, stay tuned, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hey, let's get this fight on. Cheese versus chainsaw. Well, as you can see, in the ultimate test of cheese versus chainsaw, chainsaw wins.
Add the cheese, everybody likes to add the cheese.